why does that look so wow. Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a soy garlic chicken, and I'm gonna not use wings, and they're just gonna be boneless pieces, so it's just easy, clean eating with a fork or chopstick. And I'm also gonna accompany it with some fried rice cakes. I love the fried rice cakes in my chicken. There's this thing called 닭강정 in Korea. It's a very sweet and sticky type of sauce, and sometimes they put these rice cakes in there, and it's literally, I like it more than the chicken. So let's go and check out these ingredients. We'll lightly season this with some salt and pepper. So in my opinion, I think Korean fried chicken is the best. There's something very light and crispy and healthier tasting when you compare to American brands like Popeyes or KFC. We'll set this aside and work on the batter. Now we're gonna whisk up our batter. I'm using Korean frying powder, and if you don't have this, all-purpose flour will do, but there is a slight difference. This makes it very, very crispy and thin. So if you guys can get your hands on that, that would be great, but if not, all-purpose flour will do. 1 2/3 cup of frying powder and 1 1/3 cup of water. And we want it to be this kind of consistency. Add this in. So now I'm going to coat this mixture in with some more of the frying mix. So prepare a big Ziploc bag or any type of bag that you guys might have, and we're just gonna do kind of like a second coat on it. So I'm gonna actually sprinkle in some of this frying mix and then add in some of our chicken and just do layers of it. So frying mix to chicken, frying mix to chicken. I think like the biggest thing that draws people to Korean fried chicken is the sauce. When you have all three taste profiles, sweetness, saltiness, and spiciness together, there's just something so addictive about it, and it gets your mind to keep wanting more of it. So after you guys watch this video, you guys have to go grocery shopping and make this at home, because you guys can make it at home and have the sauce be just as good. Why not? Close this back up and we're gonna shake it together. So they kind of look like this. They have a lot of the frying powder all over it. I'm gonna make the sauce before we fry. So let's cut up our peppers and green onions. I'm gonna save some of the red to put as toppings. On medium heat, let's add in everything. A 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, an 1/8 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of oligosaccharide, if you don't have this, honey, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Once it boils, we'll add in our garlic and our peppers. 2 tablespoons of garlic minced. So there's this place called Ajit. It's a bar/pub that we have in Chicago, and I think they do food better than any other place here. And they have this 닭강정. Is it called 닭강정?
Yeah, I think it's taco.
Okay, they have it and it's really good. It's really spicy, and I think this sauce will be very similar to what you would get if you ordered it from like BBQ chicken or ponchon. All of those. This is very, very, I feel, more authentic that you can make at home, but it's really not that hard to make. This doesn't have to get reduced or anything. You just have to cook it for about 2 minutes. So we are done. So before we move on to frying, do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is puwak, which means kitchen. And when I'm home, I literally spend almost all my time in the kitchen. There's so much to do. I'm cleaning out and organizing the fridge. I am organizing my pantry. I am washing dishes. I'm making food. I'm prepping food. There's just so much to do and clean in the kitchen that other than on my couch watching TV, I think the kitchen is probably one of my more favorite places to be in the house. So today's word of the day is kitchen, which means puak. Wow, it's looking so good already. That looks so good. So when it gets golden brown is when we're gonna take it out. Wow, golden brown. So let's place it on this napkin to catch all the oil. Wow, that looks amazing. And it's also for 1 cup of rice cakes. And I really like these little bow or bone-shaped rice cakes better than like the longer ones. I like it when it's just bite-sized and not very long pieces of rice cakes. Wow. And add in our sauce. Wow. Wow. Wow, smells so good. Let us eat. Wow.
It's chicken. I want one with a lot of chicken.
Oh. I'm gonna do the duck first.
Oh my god.
It's so good, right? Isn't it better than buying it?
It's so good.
Wow. Honestly,
It's better than buying it. Oh my god.
right?
Mm-hmm.
You like the duck?
I love it. I can't like stop closing my mouth. It's so good. It's like perfect spice, perfect amount of soy sauce, not overly sweet, not overly salty, and then crunchy. But then the rice cake is crunchy and soft. I ate in one bite. That's what I'm saying. It's so good. Oh my god.
A little more.
That's amazing. This is on the top. I think I'm gonna make this.
You are? I mean, anything that's like being fried is a little annoying, but I think this is so worth
I
it.
think it's worth it. It's really good.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please let us know if you try it because it is like the best thing ever. And we'll see you guys on our next video.